Thanks for joining us. I'm Gia Vang.
And I'm Terry McSweeney, and we start with some wild weather here in the Bay Area. Worries about wind, especially along the coast, leading to fear of fire in the hills. Afternoon, we're seeing wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Coastal areas under a wind advisory until 9 tonight. PG&E is saying it's going to turn off power to a handful of customers in the extreme North Bay starting tomorrow morning to prevent their power lines from starting a wildfire.
Not just wind, but snow. You are looking at video from Palisades, Tahoe today. Yep, the Sierra Ski Resort getting a dusting of snow. And tonight we have team coverage on this weather. Christie Smith is standing by in San Francisco. But we start with meteorologist Rob Mayeda. And Rob, what are you seeing?
Right now, the peak of the wind seems to have been a bit earlier this afternoon. We had wind gusts out at SFO above 45 miles per hour. Now those peak gusts at about 30. So we've just about got 4 hours left in this coastal wind advisory. As you can see here, wind speed strongest along the coast. Some areas still in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range. And yes, the wind advisory that's up for the coast will expire at 9 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow, we should see wind speeds coming down. Look at the comparison from the gusts we saw today versus the same time tomorrow, gusts 20 to 30 during the day tomorrow. But there's also going to be a change in the humidity numbers around the Bay Area. Today's winds were west-northwest. Tomorrow, that is a north wind. So you'll see here the humidity numbers really starting to drop off as those winds begin to change direction. But also interesting to point out, fuel moistures around the Bay Area, due to all the fog we've had this month, are actually slightly higher than you'd expect to see for the third week of October. We've been seeing that around the Santa Cruz Mountains due to the very drizzly and moist conditions. But obviously this is starting to reverse now as those winds start to pick up tomorrow. Gusty at times. Though we technically don't have any red flag warnings, I do think we'll see those fire danger conditions for some of the inland hills going up as we head into Monday. I'll have a closer look at those changes ahead in our forecast coming up in just about 10 minutes.
Rob, thanks very much. Well, a live look at SFO for you right now. The wind made for a bumpy ride on planes flying in and out of that airport today. Wind gusts topping 40 miles an hour there this afternoon. The beaches in San Francisco, not a pleasant place to be, unless you were dressed for it, of course. And that's where NBC Bay Area's Christie Smith joins us live. Christie, were you dressed for it?
Well, I did my best. You know, it doesn't feel quite as windy as it did a little bit earlier, but we did feel it today. And of course, people in the city are used to dealing with wind, but some told us they didn't expect it to continue. And there were some adjustments made to handle it.
It's a lot windier than I remember.
A walk near the coast was punctuated by a strong breeze today.
I have sand in my mouth and sand in my eyes, but still a thumbs up.
They came to San Francisco from the East Bay and made the best of it, even with a wind advisory.
It was great. Actually, once you're on the beach, it's great. Yeah.
Once you're down there, you don't have the wind as much as you're experiencing right now.
Yeah.
Is this more than you expected, though?
Yes, we did not expect this today.
Today is the 40th anniversary of the Sandcastle Classic.
At Ocean Beach, teams were out building sand sculptures. Their first big year back on the beach since the pandemic, and they made some adjustments.
You know, the wind is unfortunate, but we're working with it. So what we've done is made some modifications for our teams. No tents, no umbrellas, nothing that can come loose and fly with a gust of wind.
She says adding water is key to getting sand to stick and stay grounded. People bundled up and kept creating.
We're not going to let that slow us down.
In places like Mountain View, conditions were breezy too. Meantime, PG&E is also tracking the winds.
And looking at the possibility of shutting off the power for safety, initiating a PSPS.
They've notified customers, and it would be the first public safety power shutoff this year.
We have notified fewer than 200 customers in the North Bay. This is the only area in the Bay Area, in Napa, Sonoma, and Lake counties that we could be shutting off the power Sunday morning for safety.
That's looking likely for tomorrow morning. They continue to update customers, and they remind them that because it's windy, there could be power outages due to tree branches down or other causes. Even with the breezy conditions today along the coast, people were certainly out and about. And I tell you, you traveled just a few blocks away from the water in that direction, and it felt much calmer. Reporting live in San Francisco, Christie Smith, NBC Bay Area News.
Okay, as Christie mentioned, PG&E says it will likely move forward with planned power outages tomorrow because of the fire danger, but only for a small number of customers in the North Bay. And we want to break it down for you. That includes 85 customers in Napa County. You can see 22 22 customers in Sonoma County and then 86 in Lake County. And PG&E says outages will likely start at 6 a.m. Power should be restored by Monday at 3 p.m. PG&E is sending notifications via phone, text, and email to all affected customers. For more information on the outages, open the NBC Bay Area app or go to NBCBayArea.com and click on our story about the outages. We will also have an entire section devoted to weather. You can even get personalized weather forecasts, that is, for your neighborhood.